Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Insightly to Tally for pipeline forecasting dashboard. To connect Insightly to Tally for pipeline forecasting dashboards, start by logging into your Insightly account. Navigate to the integrations section in the main menu. Search for Tally among the available integrations. Once you find Tally, click on it to view the connection options. Select the option to connect Insightly with Tally. You will be prompted to enter your Tally credentials. Make sure you have your Tally API key ready. Input the API key in the designated field. Click the Connect button to establish the integration. Once connected, navigate to your pipeline forecasting dashboard in Insightly. Select the data you want to visualize from Tally. Choose the relevant metrics for your dashboard. Adjust the settings to refine the view of your data. Utilize filters if necessary to focus on specific segments. Once you have customized your dashboard, save your changes. You can now monitor your pipeline forecasting using data from Tally. Regularly check back to ensure that the data is syncing correctly. Make any adjustments as needed to improve your dashboard performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.